Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of this weekly alts analysis series where we go through some of the most popular altcoins in the market and show you how to easily identify key levels of higher time frame supports and resistances to help you either dollar cost average in or potentially play some longer term swing trades. So not had a video up for the last 2 weeks, but nothing has really changed. So as we can see, BTC still sitting on that 19k weekly level, clinging on by the skin of its teeth. It looks set to drop, and as we've spoken about multiple times on this channel, I think 16k is the next logical place, in my opinion. It was the start of this downtrend back in January 2018. Also, we had a nice little break and retest back here at 16th and or the week of 16th and 23rd of November. So I think that's the next logical place. And as I say, BTC just clinging on to that 19k weekly level. Doesn't look like it's going to hold for too much longer. And if we flick to the monthly as well, this looks like it's about to roll over and make new lows. In terms of the monthly time frame, I think the place that makes most sense is 13k. I know a lot of people don't like to hear that. However, if you've got capital sidelined and ready to go, or you've taken profits from higher, you should be licking your lips at the opportunity to get in at 13k. As I say, it's the start of this bearish downtrend that started in, or basically the top of the little bull run we had, just a mini bull run we had in sort of beginning of 2019. So from about February up to about June, and then the start of the subsequent downtrend that started in July 2019, and actually ended up down at those COVID lows eventually in March 2020. It's also the top of these candle body closes in January 17 and December 18 as well. You see the candle bodies closing there at around 13k, high 13k. So I think that's probably where we're going to end up. As I say, probably a little pit stop on the weekly time frame at 16k before a final capitulation around about 13k. Whether that's the bottom or not is yet to be seen. And hey, we might not even get down there. So nothing is for certain. But one thing I wanted to go through today is XRP, which has been on an absolute tear recently. We featured this in our last video about profit-taking areas, and it has hit 2 of them now, almost a third. So we talked about a little bounce off this monthly level that we had marked out, little monthly range of support between 33 cents and 28 cents. Now, depending on where you got filled, maybe you got filled all the way back here in June and been holding on since. Maybe you took some profits here in the weekly level between 38 and 37 cents, or whether you caught some of this recent dip back at the tail end of August and start of September, got partially filled here, taken some profits as I say, at around 38 to 37 cents, which is the first profit taking region, and now we've hit the second profit taking region, this weekly resistance between 51 cents and 46 cents. If you haven't taken any profits yet, I would strongly recommend you consider it. It's been on a bit of a tear, and bear market rallies tend to rally quickly and then die off just as quickly. So definitely worth taking some. If you can make money in the bear markets, you're definitely winning. Extra capital to buy more units lower down, which I'm pretty confident we will see lower prices for XRP. If you obviously you don't have to take full profit, you take some partial profits and keep some aside in case we do head up to this monthly level, this monthly range of resistance between 58 cents and 62 cents. If we go to the monthly time frame, as you can see, a very clear area of previous support which should now hold as resistance if we were to get up there. So really good play. If you take it from monthly level to monthly level, you're looking at about 76% return, which, as I say, in a bear market is fantastic. If we drop down to the weekly, you would have done, say you got filled down on this, the top of the monthly level, just up to that weekly level, you're looking at the weekly level at 38, 37 cents. You're still looking at about anywhere between 15 and almost 20%. Up to this next weekly resistance between 46 and 51 cents. Again, you're looking anywhere between 40 and 55%. So fantastic returns. Congratulations if you jumped on that. But also XRPBTC has had a really good run and straight into an area of resistance / take profit. So again, accumulated in this weekly support range between 1,600 sats and 1,400 sats. Didn't go very deep, bottomed around 1,500 sats, but you would have got partially filled if you dollar cost averaged in that area. And as I say, now hitting the very top of this next range of resistance, this monthly level between 2,274 sats and 2,750 sats. As I say, just clipped the top of it. Was that today, in fact? So yeah, if we take a look at the profit on that, you're looking at around anywhere between, so from the bottom of the monthly level 40% to the top of the monthly level you're looking at 70%. So huge returns, as I say, in a bear market and in BTC as well. So some free BTC there if you manage to catch that move. But yeah, again, very, very strong area of resistance. We've seen multiple rejections in this price range, so very wise to take some profits. As you see, all the way from since January 2020, this level has held as resistance pretty strongly. We had a bit of a deviation here in November 2020, which then sent us to new all-time lows, and so a bit of an exit pump there. So yeah, definitely a key area to take some off the table at least. Don't have to sell it all, but definitely take something off the table, because you'll be really regretting it if we turn around and basically do what we did back in November 2020 and turn around and end up making new lows. If price does come back down into the sub 1,000 sats, then I think it's a really, really strong buy. Same on the USD pair. If we see it come down into this next monthly support zone around 20 cents, anything there is going to be a fantastic buy again, because you can see the what happened last time we were down there. Again, though, nothing is guaranteed, nothing's certain, but it's all about putting the odds in your favour and making sure the risk reward is beneficiary. Basically, you don't want to be buying high and selling low. You want to be buying low, selling high, and by buying low, you put the odds in your favour, and the risk is definitely in your favour as well. So yeah, if you've got XRP, guys, definitely consider taking some profits. But yeah, that's it for this week. Just wanted to quickly make you aware of that if you had any XRP. We're going to be bringing some new content to the channel soon. But yeah, we'll keep you posted on that. We'll be back next week for another alts analysis video. If you've got any requests, drop them in the comments below. And if not, enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next week.